Now exercise 1.1. Following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius at different places on a particular day. Now Lauspati, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore is a number line, and right side number is a positive number. After 0, left side number are negative numbers. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is not a temperature of particular place. This arrow mark is a temperature of that particular places. So here this is a Ooty temperature, this arrow mark Shimla's temperature, and Srinagar temperature and Lauspati temperature. Now we have to find the temperature of different places. First question in that, A. Observe this number line and write the temperature places marked on it. Now after observing temperature, we have to write the temperature of different places. Now Lauspati. So here this is minus 10. Minus 10 means from here, no? 0, 0 to minus 5. Then after minus 5, which number? Minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Okay, what is the Lauspati temperature? Minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, then what is the temperature of Srinagar? Srinagar, so here 0, 0 means minus 1. After a minus 1, minus 2. So what is the temperature of Srinagar? Minus 2 degree Celsius. Then Shimla's temperature. So exact on 5 plus positive 5, they given Shimla's temperature. So we can write Shimla temperature is 5 degree Celsius positive. Then Ooty temperature, look at here children, 10, after 10 positive number, no? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. The mark on 14. So what is the Ooty temperature? 14 degree Celsius. Then Bangalore temperature. So here 20, after 20, 21, 22. So Bangalore temperature is 22 degree Celsius. The arrow mark on 22 degree Celsius. Now second question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place among the above? So which is the hottest temperature here? Bangalore, 22 degree Celsius. Bangalore is the hottest temperature. And the coldest, minus 2 and minus 8, which is the smallest number. In negative number, the bigger number is the smallest and smaller number are a greater number. So which is the smallest here? Minus 8 degree. Okay. So hottest is 22 degree Bangalore and coldest is minus 8 degree. In negative number, the greatest number are the smaller number. Now the question, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest? So hottest is Bangalore temperature 22 degree Celsius. Minus, difference means minus symbol, and coldest, so minus 8 degree. Coldest among these number, which is the smallest number? Minus 8, because negative number greater is the smallest number. So minus 8 degree Celsius. Okay, 8 degree Celsius. So 22 degree, 22 minus 8 means how much? 22 degree Celsius. Minus into minus is plus 8. How much then? 8 degrees Celsius. 22 degrees Celsius minus into minus plus. So what is the answer? 30 degree Celsius. So B answer is 32 degree Celsius. Now here C question. What is the temperature difference between Lauspati and Srinagar? So here temperature difference between Lauspati, C question. What is the Lauspati temperature? Minus 8 degree. Then Srinagar temperature minus 2 degree. So minus 8 and minus 2, which is the greater number? Minus 2, because in a negative number, smallest is a greater number. So minus 2 degrees Celsius, subtraction means greater number first we have to write. Then minus Lauspati, what is the temperature difference between Lauspati and Srinagar? So difference means minus symbol. So Srinagar temperature and minus 8 degree Celsius. This is Lauspati's temperature minus 8 degree. This is Srinagar temperature. So answer is minus 2 degree Celsius. Minus into minus is plus 8 degree Celsius. So answer is 8 degree and minus 2 means subtraction. Difference symbol is subtraction. Answer is 6 degree Celsius. Now D question. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So first question, can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together? Can we say the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla. So 5 plus 5 and minus 2. So it is obviously subtraction. Differentiable is subtraction. Answer is 3 degree. So after subtracting, answer is 3 degree. After taking together of these temperature, answer is 3 degree Celsius. Now what is the question? Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? So answer is, whether answer after subtraction, the answer is less than Shimla. Yes, Shimla's temperature is greater than after answer. So answer is yes. B, D question. Two questions are there together. So answer is yes, because Shimla's temperature is greater. The next, is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So is it also less than the temperature of Srinagar? So this is, answer is less than Shimla. So that is correct. Again they are asking whether Srinagar temperature, is it less than again Srinagar? No, because 3 degree is greater than minus 2. So answer is no. Srinagar temperature minus 2. Our answer is 3 degrees Celsius after subtraction. So answer is no.